I don't think I've seen you around here before. Let me guess. You rode in on the rail.
That's right.
Did anybody officially welcome you to town yet?
They never do.
Well...
Welcome to Fucktown!
Anti-crime groups have been springing up throughout the city, and their inspiration is this unidentified homeless man who's been delivering justice.
This is a goddamn fucking robbery! I'm gonna sleep in your bloody carcasses tonight!
Keep the change.
I want that hobo's head on my wall.
Jerk on this shit liquor!
Or crucify him to a homeless shelter.
Put the knife away, kid. Or I'll use it to cut welfare checks from your rotten skin. Hallelujah.
You and me are going on a car ride to hell.
You're ready, shotgun.
You can't solve all the world's problems with a shotgun.
It's all I know.